Hello everyone, this is Baker from YouTube. In this video I'll show you how to connect your MySQL server to your Visual Studio for Mac. I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL, and after that how to write the code to connect with Visual Studio for Mac. Okay, without further ado, let's start. What you need to do first is open up your browser. Now go ahead to MySQL.com. Once you load it, go to download section shown here. Yeah, right after you click it, it's going to redirect you to this page, and go scroll down and go to community downloads. After that, you will download the MySQL community server. Click the download link and choose your platform from down here. Alright, mine is macOS, so I'm gonna download the latest one, which is most recently in front. So click the download button, scroll down and go to no thanks, just start my download. Once it finished downloading, wait for it for a couple of minutes, and once it finished downloading, go to the MySQL file to the downloads page, and your folder, your download folder. You find the MySQL there, install the package, continue, agree, and install. It will ask you for administrator password. Just enter that in and set your password here. This password will be used next, so you have to know what your password is. Please don't forget your password. Once it finished installing, you just have to close it. Go to system preferences. You will see MySQL tab down here. Start the MySQL tab and start it, and then input the administrator password. As you can see, it's running now. Now what we have to do is open Visual Studio, wait for it to load. We're gonna create a new project to connect to MySQL. You can use any project you want. You can use .NET Core. I'm just gonna use a console project with .NET framework. This method will work any way you want it to, so don't worry which you want to choose. I'm just gonna use the console application and name my project MySqlConnect. Again, the name is not a problem. You can name it whatever you want. It's not a problem. Once you load it, you need to go to View, Design, and double click on the Solutions tab on the left. Then go to the Packages folder. Right click on Packages and add NuGet Packages. Once the NuGet Packages is loaded, you need to go to the search bar and write MySQL. The first one you get is MySQL.data. Click on that and go to Add Package. This is the package that you need to install and connect with the SQL server, with MySQL server. Right, once it's finished, you can see it on the top. It says MySQL data successfully added. Once it's finished, you right here, you will have to import the package to your program. So you use the using keyword and write MySQL.data.SQL client .MySQL client. Alright, so once you do that, I'm gonna leave the connection string on the description below. You just gotta copy and paste that. Once you do that, you don't need to change anything. You just gotta paste it like a function. It's a function, so outside your main function. Once you do that, what you gotta do is call the function. The function is called connect. You gotta call it, and you gotta pass the username and the password. So the username is root, as it's for the default. When you install MySQL, the default user is root, and the password is the password you entered when you install MySQL. So once you put your password in, it's gonna pass to the function. So it's gonna call the method with your username and password. After that, you gotta close the connection, because if you don't close the connection, the application will still be running. It will not terminate until the connection is closed, since it's a MySQL connection. So as you can see, we have a code here that is a try and a catch. So the try one will run if the connection is successful. It will write in the console to say successfully connected. Let's run it and check that. Alright, it's running. Okay, as you can see, it's successfully connected, and this is how to connect your Visual Studio for Mac with MySQL on your Mac. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you feel. Thank you very much.